Logsafe Compliance, automating food safety through the use of technology. We offer food safety software solutions that eliminate paper auditing, streamline food safety data collection, and centralize easy-to-understand reporting, allowing access from anywhere at any time. LogSafe's application suite includes hot and cold food temperature monitoring, passive ambient case temperature monitoring, logging of cooking temperatures, equipment sanitization tracking, OSHA illness logging, and expiration date log, offering a comprehensive suite of food safety tools in one convenient application. LogSafe's applications protect your customers and your brand by maintaining high food safety standards. Prevent food spoilage and shrink by ensuring foods are maintained at optimal temperature. Notify. Push notifications alert management immediately to food safety issues, allowing real-time follow-up and correction. Document all information in one convenient place. Access company data on the cloud anytime, anywhere. Generate analytical reports for your food safety history to view your data at a glance. As a result, grow your business modernizing the safety of food programs. Focus on sales and merchandising. Grow your sales. All you need is an Android tablet running LogSafe's suite of applications and a Bluetooth connected thermometer. No experience needed. Logsafe Compliance is easy to train and operate and provides free training of your personnel and free technical support.
I'm Sandy Kraft, Bakery Deli Specialist for Teal's Market. We operate 11 delis in North Dakota, South Dakota, and Central Minnesota. We have been using LogSafe for over 4 years, and we find that this tool is excellent for us to make sure that we are serving good, wholesome foods to all of our customers. Here at Teal's, food safety is our #1 concern, and LogSafe helps keep us on track with that.
Are you ready to see how it works? Open the app by tapping an icon. You'll see the applications presented and a link to your personal cloud. This is your administration portal. In order to log temperatures, tap on Food Temps area, then tap either a hot or cold temperature item icon. From there, you'll select a location. Let's select a hot case. Select an item by tapping on a label menu. Tap on an item or take the first few letters of an item. Tap the thermometer icon. Insert the number and save the reading. If the reading is out of range, an app will send an alert to take action. When the tasks are complete, all the information is saved in the cloud and stored there for the time you need it. Call now for a free no-obligation demonstration and start logging the fast and easy LogSafe way. We'll save you time and money.